Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to make a healthy and delicious soup with homemade stock. This soup is extremely tasty, healthy and nourishing with ingredients to boost your immune system. It's rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, hence a great soup to have during the cold and flu season. Our recipe for today is Chicken Macaroni Soup. Step 1. Ingredients to prepare the chicken stock. 1 kg of chicken bone pieces. 1 onion cut into 4 pieces. 1 carrot cut into 4 pieces. 1 celery stalk cut into 4 pieces. Small bunch of parsley. If parsley is not available, you can use coriander. 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs which will have equal proportion of oregano, basil, rosemary and thyme. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 2 cloves of lightly smashed garlic. Step 2. Preparing the chicken stock. Place a wide open, heavy bottom pan on medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken bone pieces. Cook the chicken for 10 to 12 minutes and let it brown all over. This browning of meat produces excellent flavors and aromas. Stir frequently to prevent it from sticking to the pan.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once the chicken is cooked for around 12 minutes, add the vegetables and spices. The ingredients used in chicken stock helps to support the immune system. Chicken stock is made from bones and cartilage, hence it contains collagen, which is beneficial for the body. Add 8 cups or 2 liters of water. Chicken stock helps your body to build and repair healthy muscles, bones, skin and blood cells. Chicken stock can be used in a variety of dishes like soups, stews, sauces, etc. Add the crushed garlic cloves. Add the vinegar. Vinegar helps to draw the minerals out of the chicken bones to produce a rich stock. Cover and cook on medium heat for at least 1.5 to 2 hours or until the liquid quantity has reduced by half. Once done, strain the chicken stock. Save the chicken meat and discard the bones. We got around 1.5 cups of boneless chicken meat. Our chicken stock is ready. Step 3. Ingredients for the soup. Take 2 medium-sized onions, finely cut. 3 medium-sized tomatoes, finely cut. Half cup of cabbage, finely sliced. 2 medium-sized potatoes, cut into small cubes. 2 medium-sized carrots, cut into small cubes. Half cup of green peas. Half cup of macaroni. We took a mix of alphabet and elbow shapes. If you can't find this type, you can use any other shapes. 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 3 cloves of garlic, finely cut. 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Step 4. Preparing the chicken soup. Place a wide open, heavy bottom pan on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the onions. Once the onions turn translucent, add the garlic. After around 2 minutes, Once the onions turn golden brown, add the tomatoes and stir.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water to soften the tomatoes faster. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything well. Once the onions and tomatoes are fully mashed, add the potatoes and cook them for some time. Add 2 cups or 500 ml of water. Boil the soup for 2 minutes before adding the carrots. Add the carrots and stir. Add 2 more cups or 500 ml of water. Now add 4 cups or 1 liter of our homemade chicken stock. If you don't want to make your own chicken stock and prefer using Maggi cubes or ready-made stock, then add it now, but adjust the salt accordingly. Add half tablespoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir and cook the potatoes and carrots until they are almost done. Add 1 cup of chicken meat and refrigerate the remaining for later use. If you are not using the chicken from the homemade stock, you can use 250 grams or quarter kg of fresh boneless chicken meat which is cut into small pieces. However, you will need to add it before adding the potatoes for it to cook properly. Stir fry the chicken pieces for some time before adding the potatoes. Now add the cabbage. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Now add the macaroni. Now add the green peas. Bring it to a boil. Check for salt and pepper and add if required. Check if the vegetables are cooked. Your healthy and delicious chicken soup is ready. This soup is best enjoyed when it is served hot. Do write a comment to let us know your feedback on this recipe, and please press that like button if you appreciate our efforts to bring you these detailed recipe videos.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.